You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say this name from the Bible? More biblical names, make sure to stay tuned. In Hebrew, for reference, it is said as Doeg, Doeg. This is why in English the pronunciation is rather simply as Doeg. So just consider it two different syllables, not Doeg, right? Doeg, Doeg. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.